G'day and welcome back to another gas walkthrough. Today we're looking at Double Digit Thermo by Clover. Clover is one of our sellers here at Gas HQ. So my name is Bill Murphy. It is my pleasure and honor to solve this one for you today. You're going to get a puzzle from me tomorrow. I haven't even worked out which one that is yet, but it'll be fun. Um, so, what are we? We are Gas, genuinely approachable Sudoku. We make variant Sudoku. If you've never seen us before, welcome. Feel free to drop a like, comment. You'll find the link to today's puzzle in the description down below. Along with that, you'll find hat times. Hat times are our indicator of how fast you've solved today's puzzle. 2 hats is for a very fast time, 1 hat is for a pretty fast time, and everyone gets a dinosaur because we love you all equally. That being said, let's get into the puzzle. So this is a double-digit thermo puzzle. So what is 2 doing there in a thermo, I hear our regular solvers ask? Well, let's get into it. So normal Sudoku rules apply. Each box, each row, and each column must contain the digits 1 to 9 once each. Now, some people were having a lot of trouble understanding this one when I was checking in yesterday. So let's go through this. So this is a thermometer, this shape. Each one of these is an even number of digits long, and each thermometer contains a series of 2-digit numbers. So I'm going to leave this one here as an example. Color that a different color. Color this one a different color. And color that one a different color. So all of those 2 color blocks need to be read as 2-digit numbers from left to right or top to the bottom, and they need to increase from the one that starts here all the way to the one that starts there. We've done thermometer Sudoku before many times on the channel, so feel free to go do one of those if you want to practice and then come back and do this one. That being said, let's get into it. Don't forget to give this puzzle a go. The link is in the description. That being said, let's get into it. So, pardon me. First of all, so this, and this are our tens digits along the thermo, meaning this can never be higher than 3 because 3 is the last one, and it needs to be between 2 and 3. So this must be 2. Now, because this is 2, this one must be 1. Similarly, this is another tens digit along this thermo, but it has to be higher than 7, and it can't be 9, so this must be 8. This is another tens digit, and this is another tens digit. These 2 see each other, so because it needs to increase from 80-something, must be 80-something as well, and then 90-something. We can use a little bit more logic here, but we'll do 5 here because there's a 5 there to put. And now we have a 1, 6 here, but because 82, we need a number less than 82, and we can't put 80, so it must be 81. Now, what's this cell? Well, it needs to be less than 5, and that cell sees 1, 2, and 3, so it must be 4, so that's 24. And that's either 3 or 6, but it doesn't really matter. No, never mind. Let's do some more Sudoku. Where does 1 go in row 3? 1 must go here. This is then 67, or 6, 7, so that's 3 and 9. We have a 3, 7 left to place over here, and a 4, 5, 6 here. So, just to double check in, 13, 24, 25, 34. We're on track so far. Alright, this thermometer over here, it needs to go from 3 to something to 4, so that must be a 3 because 3 and 4 share a box. Similarly, this needs to be less than 3 because I can't put 3 again in that box. 1 and 3 means that this must be 2. This needs to increase from 6, and those are our tens digits. We can never put a 9 on this thermometer, so the highest this can ever be is 8, which means that this must be 877. Now, this two-digit number needs to be less than 73. It can't be 71, so it must be 72. 8 over here tells us which way around those go. So, 1, 4, and 8 to place here. We already know that this must be 8, because we need a two-digit number that's higher than 80-something. And a really cute bit of logic that I loved in this puzzle. This can't be 81 because we can't have an 80 there. So this must be 4 and then 1. Let's go over here. This is 3, 6, and 9. We weirdly don't know anything about this beyond we couldn't put a 9 there. We couldn't put a 9 there because this would have to go 90 something, 99, and then something else. 2, 5, 7 left to place in the middle. Now, let's do some more Sudoku. Where does 8 go in row 7? 8 must go there. 4 and 5 left to place here. That's a tool we're going to use later. 2 must go there, and 6. This is now 1, 4, and 5. No, not 1, 4, and 5. 4, 5, and 9. We can't place a 4 here because we have a 4 in the column. We can't put a 9 there because it needs to be less than 9, meaning that this must be 5, and this is 4 and 9. 1, 6, and 7 left to place in this row. Now, let's have a think about what this can be. So, what can this be is a really, really good question. Can this be 60-something? And the answer is no, because while that may work here, and it may work here, we would have gone down because the highest this could be is 51. So this is a 3. Now, over here, what can this be? Now, this needs to be higher, this needs to form 3 two-digit numbers, like that. And because if this was a 9, I would need to put another 9 there and another 9 there. That breaks for numerous reasons. So this becomes 6 and 9. Now, what is this? Well, it needs to increase from 60-something. So 6, 9, and 8 means the only thing it can be is 70-something. And now this needs to be either 80-something or 90-something. 3 and 7, 6. All right. What's this? Because it needs to be. Anytime I say what's this, I feel like I'm an English detective. Well, what's all this then? 84. This number needs to be less than 84. It can't be 83 or 82, so it must be 81. And then this in column 3, where do we put a 9? 9 must go here, meaning the highest this can be is now 67. That's an 8. That's a 9 by Sudoku. This must be a 3? Sure, why not? Math checks out. 3 by Sudoku we can put over there. This is a naked pair. That is a 5 and an 8, and we know which way around that goes because we have an 8 there. So that's now 35 along our two-digit thermo. Now, we have 2, 6, and 7 left to place, and 4. This can't. Where does 4 go? 4 can't go there. 4 can't go there because that would be. Oh no, 4 can't. What am I saying? 4 can't go there. 4 could go there. No, that's fine. No. It's fine. It's been a long day. All right, 2, 4, 5. Hang on. I feel like I should do some more Sudoku. Where does 1 go? Put a 1 there. 2, 6, and 7 left to place. I can't quite do anything with that. Where does 2 go? 2's there. That's fine. Need to place what? 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. Alright. 2, 4, 6, and 7. I'm gonna be a little dirty. 6 and 7. Oh, where does 1 go down here? 1 must go there. And then 4. Whoa, this needs to be higher than. that, so that's a 2. 67. Oh, hang on. That can't be a 2. That's pretty important. Oh, and that's a 6-7 pair. And we know which way around. We know which way around those go. Sorry about the delay. I really should not leave solving Sudoku till 10:35 at night. Now we're just cleaning this puzzle up. Alright, 2, 4, and 5 left to place here. That's a 4 or a 5. Where's the 6 go? Oh, that... I made this way harder for myself than it needs to be, ladies and gentlemen. What's this digit? This would have saved... This is what would have saved me. If this is 41, then what goes here between 39 and 41? This is 51, and that's 49. Oh well. I hope you weren't screaming at your computer / whatever you watch us on about that one, but I got there eventually. This has been Double Digit Thermo by Clover. My name is still Bill Murphy. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. And you know what? Have a good day. Have a good tomorrow on me as well. Don't forget, drop your hat times in the comments. I will give Betty big pats, and I will catch you next time. Cheers.